Greetings and salutations. My name is Tish and welcome to the Artist Haven, where home plus art equals heart. In today's video, we're going to do another Dutch pour. This time, we're going to mix it up because I have some extra paint that has Astroglide and coconut milk serum in it. So we're going to see what kind of cells we get with that. And since I have my paint all ready, let's get down to it. Thanks for joining me. I'm Tish and I'm the artisan and owner of Happenstance Furniture and Sundries. So my idea is to do a black background. So let's get that ready. This is Artist Loft. Flow acrylic in black mixed with Floetrol and water. And we're going to use this instead of this. Okay, let's take a little bit of this black and make sure we get all the corners. Where has that thing been all my life? Because that is like the easiest way to put a background on. And a lot of techniques you don't need to put a background on. I like something to start with. White, unless I'm using white, you know, but if I want to use black and see how the colors are going to contrast. Anywho, okay, so I've got bright red. And this has Floetrol water and coconut milk hair serum in it. So we're going to start with that. And we're just going to do right in the center here. Do about that much. Okay. And this is my custom purple that I like to mix up. Magenta. Well, it's not really magenta because it's not real pink. So let's put a little bit of that in there. And copper. This copper has Floetrol water, paint, and Astroglide. I just like saying that word, Astroglide. Oopsies. Got a little nugget in there. There we go. And this is just a custom teal, no additives. And this is just plain metallic gold from Artist Loft. Okay, and I'm going to put another drop of purple in the middle, just because I'm that girl. Okay, let's move these out of the way. Let's torch this. All right, now let's put the black around it. There we go. Now we'll grab the hairdryer again and blow it over. All right. Let's see, do we want to work any of these cells? I'm going to do this one right here. Wow. I hope it stays that way. Alright, let's torch it real quick. Alright, let's let that sit for about 15-20 minutes. We'll come back and check it out. Okay, 20 minutes have passed. And let's see what we got here. I'm really loving this technique. Look at that. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this with the glare. Is it going to focus for me? You going to focus for me? I don't know if you'll be able to see this with the glare, but the metallics in this is just amazing. Oh, there you can kind of see how when I'm passing over it, it gets brighter and then it gets darker again. And that's just, that blue is just a reflection from my webcam, sorry. Nothing I can do about that. I suppose I could paint it. But this right here, this is amazing. I'm loving this so much. The cell's got a little bit bigger as it sat here. It's spread out a little bit more. I didn't wipe it before I let it set, and that was my bad. I'm hoping that those cells up on top will stay, because historically, especially with the double cup pour, they've been kind of melting away. Intellectual inquiry for today. What is your favorite combination of colors, like color scheme, black, white, and red, those kind of things? Let me know in the comments below. If you found value in this video, please click the like button. If you like this video and like to see more like it, please click the subscribe button and hit that little notification bell. That way you'll be notified when we post new content or go live on our channel. Thanks for joining me. Peace, love, and happiness.